India's 63 million micro and small businesses are the heartbeat of its economy. While India is becoming increasingly digital, the growth has not been uniform. Women-led businesses, despite playing a critical role in the economy, still lack access to formal financial services and knowledge of digital technology that can help them make their businesses more successful.
घर की आर्थिक स्थिति कुछ ठीक नहीं थी, इसी कारण हमको लोन उठाना पड़ा।
बड़ा मोबाइल नहीं आता है, छूट काहे ला बोले, छोटा चला लेते हैं।
जहाँ नदी पार करके जाना पड़ता है, वहाँ जा करके हम लोग ऑफिस में जाके पैसा जमा कर देते हैं, बहुत असुविधा होता था।
Having seen the struggle of women, especially when they go to their branch locations, the amount of travel and the time that they take to deposit the amount that they have taken, there is a huge scope to digitize the collection and make it available for the women sitting at home.
Digital payments can open opportunities for women in rural areas to become more comfortable with digital products and create a digital footprint for themselves. Axion, with support from HSBC India, is working with FinCare Small Finance Bank and Saturn Credit Care Network to drive digital payment adoption for low-income women in rural India and lower costs. The project aims to build customers' confidence and proficiency in making digital payments, saving them time that can be spent running their businesses.
We were exploring the possibility of providing complete digital services to the rural banking customers. Majority of them are women.
गांव का हम लोग चयन करते हैं, गांव चयन करने के बाद लोगों से मिलते हैं, उनको कंपनी के बारे में, सेटिंग के बारे में बताते हैं। जो महिलाएं बैंक तक नहीं पहुंच पाती हैं, उनको हम लोन प्रोवाइड कराते हैं।
Our facilitators are on field, helping them understand some of the digital channels available, and they are providing handhold support to the women customers to onboard them on digital platforms.
FinCare के द्वारा ट्रेनिंग मिली, बताया गया कि ऐसे स्कैन करके आप पैसा पे कर सकते हैं, तो अब ऑनलाइन पेमेंट हो जाता है। जो समय बचता है हम अपने बिजनेस में वो समय दे पाते हैं अच्छे से।
We have gone ahead and educated and transitioned close to 200,000 plus customers using digital methods.
So in rural part of the country, women are often labeled as the CFOs who manage the finance in the family. So if you can empower them to pay digitally, you are empowering the entire family into the digital way.
लोन लिए हैं तब हम भैंसी के कारोबार किए हैं। एक भैंसी से 5 भैंसी हुआ, तो घी का कारोबार और बिजनेस बढ़ते जाते हैं। घर में खुशहाली आई तब न धिया पुता पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं।
With support from the project, more than 126,000 women have started making digital payments, accessing financial services that can help them build thriving businesses and resilient futures.